Koenigsegg has reclaimed the 0-400-0 km record with its V8 hybrid Regera, achieving an astonishing time of 28.81 seconds. This feat comes shortly after the Rimac Nevera set the record at 29.93 seconds. Here's a breakdown of the achievement and how Koenigsegg managed to outpace its own previous record and the Rimac Nevera. Record details: bullet. New record time: 28.81 seconds. Bullet. Previous record Regera: 31.49 seconds. 2019. Bullet. Rimac Nevera time: 29.93 seconds. How Koenigsegg did it. 1. Tires. The Regera was equipped with new Michelin Cup 2R tires, which provided better grip and performance. 2. Track conditions. The record was set on a smoother track compared to previous attempts, allowing for optimal performance. 3. Engineering and technology. Despite being engineered 10 years ago, the Regera's design and technology were ahead of their time, contributing to its enduring high performance. Performance metrics. Bullet. 0-400-0 kmh, 28.81 seconds. Bullet. 0-400 km per hour, 20.68 seconds. Nevera. 21.32 seconds. Bullet. 400 km per hour, 8.13 seconds. Performance in mph. Bullet. 0-250-0 mph, 29.6 seconds. Bullet. 0-250 miles per hour, 21.35 seconds. Nevera. 21.86 seconds. Bullet. 250 miles per hour, 8.25 seconds. Significance. Christian von Koenigsegg emphasized that this record showcases the Regera's timeless design and forward-thinking engineering. It is a milestone that reflects Koenigsegg's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive performance. Future prospects. With the Jesko customer cars being delivered, Koenigsegg hinted at more exciting developments on the horizon, suggesting that the company's innovation and pursuit of speed are far from over. This latest achievement sets the stage for an ongoing rivalry in high-performance automotive records, marking another chapter in Koenigsegg's legacy of engineering excellence.